Dear kids, today we will learn about the alphabet Z. Z is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Z is zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. Z is zip. Z-I-B, zip. Z is zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra, C-R-O-C-C-I-N-G, zebra crossing. Z is zucchini. Z-U-C-C-H-I-N-I, zucchini. Z is zigzag. Z-I-G, Z-A-G, zigzag. Z is zero. Z-E-R-O, zero. Z is zombie. Z-O-M-B-I-E, zombie. Z is zipline. Z-I-P-L-I-N-E, zipline. Z is zenny. Z-A-N-Y, zenny. Z is zebu. Z-E-B-U, zebu. Thanks for watching. Enjoy and subscribe our channel.